everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what we received in the February Sophie and Toffee Elves box, as well as making a miniature succulent garden orb using some of the supplies included. So in the February box we received Kawaii glow in the dark charms, 2-part resin, 2 containers of gems and metal accents, 20 open bezel charms, and we got 10 rose gold and 10 silver, 2 plastic ball charms, 2 silicone molds, 3 charms, and finally some teardrop gems. If you would like to learn more about these monthly subscription boxes or just Sophie and Toffee in general, then check out the description box below. So starting off, I took one of the plastic balls as well as some of my Primo grey granite clay, and I started shaping the clay into a dome. I then rubbed on some cornstarch to prevent it from sticking to the plastic, and then shaped it even more by pressing it down. I then went ahead and mixed different shades of pink, purple and green for the succulents. I do actually have a full and more detailed video on how to make simple succulents, so I'll leave that video linked down below for you to watch. I decided to make mine all different shapes and sizes, so there was lots of variety in my miniature garden. Once you are finished with the succulents, you can then start adding them to the base. To make mine look slightly more magical, I also added one of the teardrop gems and secured it down using some liquid clay. I also used the liquid clay to help keep the succulents in place as well. When you're happy with the layout of your garden, you can then begin making the base however you like. I decided to use some light pink pearl clay to match the theme, and I shaped it into a cylinder kind of shape before adding some cornstarch on top. Then take the plastic ball and push the charm part into the clay and then pull it out again, and then this is where we'll be adding it again later on after baking. I then also added a few clay details to the base and then baked it in the oven along with my succulent garden. After baking, I took the gems and metal accents and used some super glue to stick them throughout the garden and also on the base for extra detailing. Now go ahead and add the garden inside the plastic ball. You can choose to glue it in to secure it if you like, but I just left mine loose. Then finally add the ball to the base, and again you can glue it if you would like, and then that is everything. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, check out the description box for more info on the subscription boxes, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!